All right, we're here with Hector DeGita. Hector is the guy that gets the hull of, this boat's called the Channel Surfer. This is the drift shoot boat. This is what we go out and shoot all the segments in. He gets the hull ready. Hector, what's your technique to get this green? The green is tough, right? The green always gets faded and gets oxidized. How do you get it?
Well, I use compound first.
What kind of compound do you use?
I use a Maguire 3M.
Maguire, good stuff, good stuff. Now I know why I pay so much for this. All right, you compound it first and that gets all the oxidation out. Then what do you do?
Yeah, well, the compound I use for revival of the paint, you know what I mean? The color. Yep. This is a dark color.
Green is tough. Green,
yeah, green,
red,
black, red,
are
blue.
Tough,
and
right?
then I use a glaze for getting very shiny. You know
all right, so what's the glaze? What do you use for a glaze?
The glaze, there's a gold, we call gold, pearl gold. And after that, I apply the wax.
Okay.
That wax is for the salt water, you know what I mean?
All right, so the wax is going to keep, the wax is going to give us a good base so it doesn't oxidize again.
Yeah,
It
he's
nice
going to
shot.
protect and going to get the shine.
Wax is the second.
Long, like 1 year.
Compound first.
Compound first.
Glaze.
And then
wax.
the wax. Yeah.
He's giving away all the
any
secrets.
wax. It's you know, good wax.
Yeah, you won't say what it is. That's
No,
your
yeah,
secret.
I know.
Okay,
Yeah,
and then
exactly.
what do you do?
And then I do two hand of wax, and then I swipe everything, and then I apply another like wax, but that's gonna be a secret.
All
I can
right,
tell
there's
you
another
that.
secret. He's full of secrets. So now by hand. So you bring it on by hand, right?
Yeah.
Just rub it on.
You don't have to left spot. You have to put together. You know what I mean? You can do like this, like for example like this. You see, I can leave this spot over here. I gotta put everything.
So you just wipe it on easy. You don't have to rub that. You're just applying it right now, right? You're just applying it. You're not buffing it. And this is the glaze again, right?
Yep.
The secret glaze
The
from
secret
Providence.
glaze, yeah.
Let's see the bottle. Oh, no.
I gotta buff all this right now.
You're gonna buff that.
Yeah, because all this I buff.
That is, I can see myself in that. That's a very good shine. And then once the wax goes on it, it'll keep that salt water off. So we'll get a good season before this gets oxidized.
Yeah.
Now, I could have showed you a little bit ago, but it's already done. It was really oxidized from the end of last season. Why? Because we didn't use you last season. We tried to get 2 seasons out of it, and it didn't work.
Yeah, you guys don't call me last year.
All right, I'll call you. I promise I'll call you.
Now you can hear the noise. Right now, I don't do pressure right now. But over here, hear the noise. You hear the pressure?
So do you want pressure or no?
Huh?
You want the pressure or no?
No, I gotta do pressure on this bar. When I work over here, I don't have to do pressure.
Nice and
Look at
easy.
this.
That's the secret stuff in an unmarked bottle. All right?
Yeah.
It's really turtle, isn't it? Turtle wax. No?
No way. That's too cheap. Nobody wants that anymore.
Now you want to be careful too, like a lot of guys, like I did when I used to do, they go heavy on the graphics, and what happens? You get these, end up wearing off the graphics, right?
Well, when you buff all this, you don't have to put too much pressure.
Right.
You have to go slow, and the machine has to be slow. So you're not gonna burn.
This is the glaze.
And after that is the wax. Like this, you have to pressure, make a lot of pressure, and you have to go fast.
What's the biggest boat you've ever done?
45 and 56, I think.
Now as an art, you want to get all the little, you get all the little crevices and the, we had some pretty good stains on the white. How did you get those off?
I using there is a special liquid. It's like we call a quick solvent, and that remove all the stain, you know, on the water line. Before this it was very dark, brown, all this,
Yep.
and I added that, and then I remove everything.
Now we know it's coming out good because I can get a shot of Hector in the green, in reflection. And that doesn't even have the wax on it yet, right?
Yeah.
That's just...
We'll have to put it later.
To do a boat like this, how much a foot?
Well, for you guys, I
Did a deal for us.
Yeah, but on this boat is like a $600.
All right.
The thing is,
And this is a 25 footer, 24.
yeah, 25 for
Now you
footer.
do the hull, you do below, you do above.
Yeah, I do this.
All of the compartments.
Yeah, depend. If you want inside, that's a different price.
Okay.
Only outside, depends. You
Right.
know, like a 25, sometimes $30.
Yeah.
The fit depends. So,
Okay.
and the other thing is, we have to look how bad it is outside, and
Right.
depend what is the color.
So this side is still just glazed and compound.
I need to do the wax, and I need
Yeah.
to buff this area. The
All
other
right.
side is done, but this I have to do compound too. But
So
that
it's
I can
worth
do.
it. This is like, you've been here for how many hours do you
Like
think to do a
2
boat?
hours and a
Yeah.
half.
Yeah. And then these little things you'll get in here by hand, like it's always
Yeah.
tough.
I
It's
wanna
always
work with
tough,
by
right?
hand,
Because
you know, with the fingers.
yeah,
This is not gonna look like that.
because we can't
but-
push the
yeah,
boat back.
No, I know. Yeah, but we're gonna figure
Yeah.
out what we can do.
Awesome. Well, I'll tell you, so many people have an oxidized boat, and they say, "Oh, this boat's done. It's oxidized. It looks terrible." It's sort of how this boat looked at the end of last season, but you brought it back, and it looks great. And what I like to do, because I'm cheap, is you do the outside and the top side, but then when we're in the marina, we do it. You know, then you can do a little of your own waxing
Yeah.
when you're sitting around having a drink or whatever. All right, I'm going to let you get back to what you're doing. You're doing a great job.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, man. Can I get this for free?
Next time.